Hello students, in this class we will study exercise 2.1. So the first problem of exercise 2.1 is insert greater, equal or less. Insert the signs greater than, is equal to or less than. We had to put one sign in it from it. Okay. So the first problem is 1 upon 2 and 64 upon 128. In between these two fractions, we have to put a greater than sign, equal to sign or less than sign. We have to choose one sign and put here between these two fractions. So to find out the which sign we will put here, first of all we have to make their denominators same denominator. We can see here in 1 upon 2 the denominator is 2 and in 64 upon 128 the denominator is 128. So in solution, first upon we will put the first fraction is 1 upon 2. If we multiply in 1 upon 2 by the same number, the value of is not change up to, which is the equivalent fraction. So we will take here 64 because of here is 1 and here is 64. So 164 ones are 64. We will try to make this fraction to the equivalent denominator of 128. So we will take the number 64 upon 64. We will multiply numerator by the 64 and denominator also by the 64. So 64 ones are 64 and 64 twos are 128. 4 twos are 8 and 2 6 are 12. So 1 upon 2, the equivalent fraction of 64 upon 128. Since the 1 upon 2 is equivalent fraction of 64 upon 128, we will put here the sign. Which sign we will choose from here? Greater than, equal to or less than. Yes? Yes. We will choose here the sign is equal to. So therefore 1 upon 2 is equal to 64 upon 128. Which sign we will put here? Is equal to, because of 1 upon 2 is the equivalent fraction of 64 upon 128. And the second problem is B, 3 upon 5 and 7 upon 14. In that also we have to put the sign greater than, equal to or less than. We have to put one sign from it. So first upon, to compare the fractions, we have to make their denominators same denominator we have to make, and therefore we will multiply in 3 upon 5 by the denominator of 7 upon 14. What is the denominator of 7 upon 14? 14. So we will multiply the fraction 3 upon 5 by the 14. So 14 upon 14. So one thing you have to keep, students, in your mind, we have to multiply the same number with the denominator and with the numerator and the denominator. That means our fractions value will not change, but we have to multiply the same with the same number to numerator and to denominator. That's why we put here 14 upon 14. So 14 threes are 42 and 14 fives are 70. So 42 upon 70 is the equivalent fraction of 3 upon 5. This is the equation number 1. The second fraction is 7 upon 14. 7 upon 14. We have to make the same denominator of 7 upon 14. So what is the denominator of 3 upon 5? 5. So we will multiply by 5 to the numerator and denominator of 7 upon 14 by 5, because of the we have to make the same denominator of both. So we will multiply the new denominator of the first one fraction, that is 5. So 5 upon 5. 7 5s are 35 and 14 5s are 70. Now we get the same denominator of these two fractions. Now we can compare the fractions of these with the same denominator. We can see here, students, this 42 upon 70 have the denominator 70 and the 35 upon 70 have the denominator 70. Same denominator as there. So how we will guess the comparing which is the smaller and greater? So when we have the same denominator of fraction, we will compare the numerator of the fraction. Which fraction has the greater numerator? This 42 upon 70. 42 is greater than 35. Therefore, the 42 upon 70 fraction is the greater than 35 upon 70. Since the 42 upon 70 is greater than the 35 upon 70, the equivalent fraction of 42 upon 70 is the 3 upon 5. So instead of 42 upon 70, we can write here 3 upon 5, and instead of the place 35 upon 70, we can write here 7 upon 14. That means the 3 upon 5 is greater than 7 upon 14. I just put the value of the equivalent fraction of 42 upon 70 instead of this 3 upon 5, and instead of 35 upon 70, 7 upon 14, because the 35 upon 70 is equal to 7 upon 14. Okay, students. So like this, you have to solve the comparison of numbers and insert this sign. And the third problem, see 17 upon 15 and 119 upon 105. Here also we can see the 15 sevens are 105 and 17 sevens are 190. That's why we can say the 17 upon 15 is the equivalent fraction of 119 upon 105. So like that, you have to do the multiply this fraction by 7, and 17 sevens are 119, 15 sevens are 105. Since the 17 upon 15 is the equivalent fraction of 119 upon 105, that means in between these fractions we can put here the is equal to sign. And the next D, 29 upon 41 and 13 upon 15. Solution. 29 upon 41, and we will multiply. We have to make the equal denominator of both. So we will multiply this fraction by the 15, and we will multiply this fraction by 41. Okay, students. So when we multiply this fraction by 15, we will get the 435 upon 615, and when we multiply 13 upon 15 by the 41 upon 41, we will get the 533 upon 615. By the comparison of this equation number 1 and 2, we will get the 435 upon 615 is less than 533 upon 615. That means the equivalent fraction of this is 29 upon 41. It is less than 30 upon 15. So students, learn this type of solution of equation. Don't forget to how to put the sign and comparing the fractions to each other. Understood, students?